Furthermore, scondesignindia Private Ltd understands the importance of timely delivery. They strive to complete projects within the agreed-upon timeframe, ensuring that clients can proceed with their plans without unnecessary delays. Their competitive pricing also makes them a preferred choice among clients looking for affordable yet high-quality land surveying services. In conclusion, when it comes to private land surveying in Patna, scondesignindia Private Ltd is a reputable company that offers reliable and accurate services. Their team of experienced surveyors utilizes advanced technology and adheres to local regulations to provide clients with precise measurements and assessments. With their expertise in boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, and land subdivision, they are equipped to meet various client needs. Hiring a private land surveyor like scondesignindia Private Ltd ensures that property development and construction projects can proceed smoothly and without any complications. When it comes to land surveying in Patna, hiring a private land surveyor is essential to ensure accurate and reliable results. One such reputable company in the field is scondesignindia Private Limited. With their expertise and experience, they offer top-notch land surveying services in Patna and surrounding areas. Whether it is for residential or commercial purposes, having a private land surveyor can help in various aspects of property development and construction. Scondesignindia Private Ltd is known for its professionalism and commitment to delivering exceptional surveying services. Their team of highly skilled and knowledgeable surveyors utilizes advanced technology and equipment to carry out precise measurements and assessments. They have a deep understanding of the local regulations and requirements, ensuring that all surveys meet the necessary standards. As a private land surveyor in Patna, scondesignindia Private Ltd offers a wide range of services to cater to different client needs. This includes boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, and land subdivision. Whether you are planning to build a new structure or need to determine property boundaries, their expertise can provide you with accurate information that is crucial for decision-making. Hiring a private land surveyor like scondesignindia Private Ltd brings numerous benefits. Firstly, their expertise ensures that the surveying process is carried out efficiently and accurately. This helps to avoid any potential issues or disputes related to property boundaries or construction layout. Second,